Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening devices settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. Over here. Now scroll all the way down and click on Default Apps. Lastly, just tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, in my case Browser app, and tap on any other one to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!